Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will be discussing about the human-computer interaction. At the end of this video, you will be able to discuss model of interaction, analyze frameworks and HCI. Human-computer interaction implies the communication between human and computer. Here, we will discuss about model of interaction, style of interaction. Model of interaction. Here we will discuss about Norman's the execution evaluation cycle model. The execution evaluation cycle. This is a famous model of interaction. It is very close to our understanding of interaction. This can be divided into two parts: execution, evaluation. These two parts can further be divided into the following stages. Establishing the goal. At first, the user makes a goal. Forming the intention. The goal is required to be translated into more specific intentions. Specifying the action sequence. User gets into the new state of system after sequence of actions are executed. Executing the action. Perceiving the system state. Interpreting the system state. After getting the system state, user interprets whether the system has met his expectation or not. Evaluating the system state. If expectation is met, the interaction is successful. Otherwise, again we have to repeat the interaction cycle. Interaction framework. Abboud and Beal proposed a model, an extension of the Norman's model. In this case, this model is divided into four components: system, user, input, and the output. Language of the user is task, and the language of the system is core. Interface is formed by input and the output. In this interactive cycle, there are four steps. 1. User specifies the task. 2. Tasks are articulated within input language. 3. User input language or task language converted into the core language. 4. The system performs the task. After the system execution, system presents its new state, that is, the output of the system. Now, user observes that whether his expectation has met or not. The figure represents the components in interactive system and the translation between the components. Frameworks and HCI. Here, we will discuss about interaction framework and the human-computer interaction. From the shown figure, we can see dialogue design and the interface style is placed in the framework input branch. Articulation and performance belongs to the input branch. Design of the screen, presentation, and observation belongs to the output branch. The entire interaction framework is now capable of interacting between system and the user. Let us have a quick overview on what we have learned in this video. Human-computer interaction implies the communication between human and computer. The execution evaluation cycle is a famous model of interaction. In Abboud and Beal model, an extension of the Norman's model, it is divided into four components: system, user, input, and output. The entire interaction framework is capable of interacting between system and the user. Now, you are familiar about models and styles of interaction. Thank you.